Ever wondered what are the top places to visit in Europe? Picture a continent brimming with diverse cultures, architectural marvels, and breathtaking landscapes. From the sun-soaked Mediterranean coast to the snow-capped peaks of the Alps, Europe offers a treasure trove of travel experiences. In this video, we'll take you on a virtual tour, showcasing the top 25 places every travel enthusiast should have on their bucket list. Buckle up for an exhilarating journey. Stay tuned as we count down from 25 to reveal the must-visit spots in Europe. Kicking off our countdown at number 25 is the vibrant city of Madrid, Spain. Madrid offers a unique blend of modernity and historical charm. From the royal palace to the lively Mercado San Miguel, Madrid's rich culture and vibrant nightlife are sure to enchant you. Moving on to number 24, we land in the heart of Scotland, Edinburgh. Known for its stunning landscapes and impressive architecture, Edinburgh is a city where the old world meets the new. Don't forget to check out the iconic Edinburgh Castle and the historic Royal Mile. Next up, at number 23, is the City of Love, Paris, France. From the awe-inspiring Eiffel Tower to the art-filled Louvre Museum, Paris offers an endless array of attractions. One visit to this romantic city and you'll understand why it's a favorite among travelers worldwide. At number 22, we head north to the city of Stockholm, Sweden. Stockholm, often referred to as Venice of the North, is a city built on 14 islands. Its cobblestone streets and colorful buildings make for a picturesque setting that's hard to resist. At number 21, we find ourselves in the captivating city of Vienna, Austria. Vienna is a city that breathes music, with its world-class opera houses and classical concerts. The grandeur of Schönbrunn Palace and the artistic treasures in the museum quarter are just a few highlights that make Vienna a must-visit. Finally, at number 20, we arrive in the charming city of Dublin, Ireland. Dublin is a city of stories, where every street, pub, and building has a tale to tell. From the historic Dublin Castle to the lively Temple Bar district, Dublin's rich history and dynamic energy make it a city that's hard to forget. And that's a wrap for our first 5 destinations. But keep watching, the list gets even more exciting. Moving right along, at number 19, we have the enchanting city of Dubrovnik, Croatia. Known as the Pearl of the Adriatic, Dubrovnik is a place where the past meets the present. Its old town with stunning architecture and cobbled streets is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a city that will certainly take your breath away. Next up, at number 18, we find ourselves in the heart of Spain, Madrid. The city's vibrant life, rich history, and world-renowned art museums make it a must-visit destination. From the Royal Palace to the Prado Museum, Madrid offers a feast for the eyes and the soul. Our 17th spot takes us to the land of the Vikings, Copenhagen, Denmark. This city is a blend of modern architecture and historical landmarks. Be sure to visit Tivoli Gardens, the second oldest operating amusement park in the world, and indulge in Denmark's famous pastries. Coming in at number 16, we're off to Vienna, Austria. Known as the City of Music, Vienna is a haven for music lovers. It's home to Mozart, Beethoven, and the world-famous Vienna Philharmonic. But don't just come for the music. The city's imperial palaces and coffeehouse culture are equally enticing. Finally, wrapping up this segment at number 15 is the jewel of the Mediterranean, Santorini, Greece. With its iconic blue-domed churches, stunning sunsets, and unique beaches, Santorini is a picture-perfect paradise that you won't want to miss. 5 more incredible destinations down, but we're just getting started. Stay with us. We're halfway through our countdown, and at number 14 is the picturesque city of Dubrovnik, Croatia. Known as the Pearl of the Adriatic, Dubrovnik's medieval walls and shimmering blue waters are sure to leave you entranced. Moving on to lucky number 13, we have the charming Bruges in Belgium. This fairy tale medieval town is home to cobblestone streets, canals, and chocolate shops galore. It's like stepping into a storybook. We're down to number 12, and it's time to pack your lederhosen as we head to Munich, Germany. Known for its annual Oktoberfest celebration, Munich offers a unique blend of traditional and modern culture that can't be missed. Next up at number 11, we have the City of Love itself, Paris, France. A city that needs no introduction, Paris boasts iconic landmarks, incredible cuisine, and an undeniably romantic atmosphere. It's the perfect destination for lovers and dreamers alike. As we move into our top 10, we find ourselves in the heart of Scotland at number 10, the vibrant city of Edinburgh. A city that effortlessly blends the old and the new, Edinburgh offers a unique mix of ancient castles, stunning vistas, and a buzzing nightlife scene. That wraps up our journey from 14 to 10. Each of these unique cities offers its own blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, making them must-visit destinations on any European adventure. As we move into our top 10, the destinations are getting even more spectacular. Don't go anywhere. Breaking into the top 10 now, at number 9 we have the vibrant city of Barcelona, Spain. With its iconic architecture by Antoni Gaudí, including the unfinished masterpiece of Sagrada Familia and the bustling Las Ramblas street, Barcelona serves up a feast for the senses. Moving on to number 8, we land in the romantic city of Venice, Italy. Picture this, gliding down the Grand Canal on a gondola, under the Bridge of Sighs, with the soft lullaby of the water against the boat. Venice is a city that seems to float on water, an absolute must-visit for every traveler. Our 7th spot goes to the stunning Amalfi Coast, also in Italy. Famous for its cliffside villages and serpentine roads, the Amalfi Coast offers a blend of natural beauty and Italian charm. It's a place where lemon groves cascade down hillsides and azure waters beckon you for a dip. At number 6, we journey to the city of love and lights, Paris, France. From the awe-inspiring Eiffel Tower to the romantic Seine River and the art-laden Louvre Museum, Paris is a city that will make you fall in love with every street corner. Finally, at number 5, we have the historical city of Rome, Italy. Walk in the footsteps of emperors at the Roman Forum, make a wish at the Trevi Fountain, and marvel at the Colosseum, an enduring symbol of Rome's ancient glory. We're down to our top 5. Can you guess what they might be? We've reached the top 5. Starting at number 4 is the enchanting city of Venice, Italy. A city of waterways and gondolas, each corner of Venice offers a new surprise, from its rich history to its awe-inspiring architecture. Moving on to number 3, we dive into the heart of Spain, Barcelona. A city where art thrives, Barcelona is home to the mind-bending architecture of Antoni Gaudí, vibrant street life, and a food scene that will leave your taste buds dancing. Next up at number 2, we find ourselves in the city of lights, Paris, France. The romance, the history, the fashion, and the food, Paris is a city that never fails to captivate its visitors. And there you have it, drumroll please. The top place to visit in Europe is none other than Rome, Italy. A city where you can travel back in time. Rome's ancient ruins, world-class art, and vibrant street life make it a city like no other. From the Colosseum to the Sistine Chapel, each step in Rome is a step through history. This is a city that will steal your heart and never give it back. So pack your bags, your next adventure awaits in the eternal city of Rome. Well, that concludes our countdown of the top 25 places to visit in Europe. From the breathtaking canals of Venice to the charming streets of Paris, there's something for everyone. When the opportunity arises, don't hesitate to explore these gems. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Europe. Until next time, safe travels.